How to make chicken and cilantro wontons. Prep time 1 hour. Yield 10 to 12 servings, 80 to 90 wontons. Description: celebrate Chinese New Year this year with easy-to-make chicken and cilantro wontons. Ingredients: 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, diced into 1-inch cubes. 1 bunch of cilantro, about 3.5 cups, loosely chopped. 4 cloves garlic, halved. 3 tablespoons ginger, chopped. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 80 to 90 wonton wrappers. Instructions: combine chicken, cilantro, ginger, garlic, soy sauce and sesame oil into a food processor. Process on low for about 30 seconds until mixture is chopped finely. Scoop a spoonful of the chicken mixture into the center of a wonton wrapper. Dip your finger in water and smear along the edges of the wonton wrapper. Fold the wrapper over to create a rectangular shape and press down along the side and top edges to seal the mixture inside. Take the 2 bottom edges and wrap them under to overlap. Add a dab of water on the bottom edges to make them stick together. Repeat until all the chicken mixture is used up. To store, place wontons on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and freeze for 1 hour. Then transfer wontons into Ziploc bags or Tupperware and use as desired.